Why focus modes matter for productivity.
Focus modes help limit notifications and block distractions, allowing you to concentrate on important tasks or simply enjoy downtime. By customizing these settings across your devices, you gain more control over when, how, and why you're interrupted. Mastering focus modes can boost your productivity, support healthier habits, and reduce digital overwhelm in your daily routine.
Setting up focus modes on iPhone and iPad.
On iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and tap on Focus. Choose a preset like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, or Sleep, or create a custom focus. You can specify who can contact you and which apps are allowed to send notifications. Set schedules or trigger focus modes based on time, location, or activity for extra automation.
Activating focus modes on Android devices.
On Android, look for Do Not Disturb in your device's settings. You can allow exceptions for selected contacts or apps, schedule quiet times, or restrict notifications during certain activities. On some Android phones, the focus mode in Digital Wellbeing helps pause distracting apps. Customize these settings to keep interruptions minimal during your chosen periods.
Managing focus settings on Windows and Mac.
On Windows, use Focus Assist from the System Settings or Action Center. Set priority notifications, schedule focus times, and choose Automatic Rules. On Mac, go to System Settings and select Focus. Here, you can pick Allowed People and Apps and link focus activation to your device usage or calendar events for seamless control.
Tips for maximizing the benefits of focus modes.
Regularly review and adjust your focus mode settings. Tailor your allowed notifications to truly important contacts and apps. Use scheduling features to trigger focus modes during work hours, study sessions, or bedtime. Consider turning on focus modes during meetings and deep work. By personalizing these features, you'll create an environment that supports your productivity goals.